beach right now in California because that's where I live. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it, but it's called Pismo. It's by Morro Bay, where that huge rock. Woo. I got my dress like soaking wet at the bottom because I'm wearing my long dress. So it's like YOLO. I'm here with my sister. Yeah. This is going on YouTube. You want to get in front of me? Wow, there's little sand crabs. Look. It just went down there. Wow! Oh my goodness. Woo! YOLO. Oh. I've been finding so many sand dollars like up on the move Rachel, like up on like up there on the floor. I don't know if you guys will be able to see like right here. Oh look, it's a broken seashell. Oh, pretty. Ah. All right, well I'll let you guys go. When it starts the sunset, I'll be definitely recording for you guys. Bye.